On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and pre-trade strategy. Up today we have Ripple. Ripple, I observed here on the daily here. It broke out above yesterday's high. I started this trade yesterday, which a new crypto day has started since then. But it broke out above, which is here on the 15-minute. This orange line is the previous day high. We have a breakout here above this level, and it failed this level here. It failed to stay above yesterday's high. Couldn't maintain it. We can see the sell-off here and then pull back. This would have been the ideal entry here in this candle. But I was watching too many other currency pairs at the time, so I plan on making some adjustments to watch fewer pairs and concentrate on pairs with the most consistent high volume. So missed an entry there. But basically this was a failed breakout high on the daily, and then I wound up just taking the reversal, or the basically flipping the position here of the trade idea. So a breakout long, so I would be looking for a long to target liquidity in this area here. This is the Friday candle. I'd be looking to target the liquidity of this Friday candle here. So there would be buy side liquidity up here in this area that I would look to target. Once the price action failed yesterday's high, then I would look for a short and targeting the liquidity down here at the previous day's low right here. And then if we go over to the 15-minute chart, these are Fibonacci retracement tools here. You can take this one off because I missed this one. But basically at near the what would have been the New York session open, basically here, this was in Ripple was in an uptrend here on the 60-minute chart. And then there's a market structure shift here. So this was we'll go over here. This was the previous strong low on Ripple, and this was the previous week high. We can see in this candle here, we get a market structure shift here in Ripple. We get this market structure shift. This market structure shift was initiated by this candle right here. So a Fibonacci retracement to this candle here. So I took my first entry here just based on the Fibonacci retracement from here to here, which was a 67%. I wound up getting a later entry. So I took an entry here below the equilibrium, so I wasn't able to get a premium price for this jumping into this late. Again, watching too many currency pairs. And again, the other Fibonacci was set, and I was able to get a 62% entry here on this second entry that I went in half size on. And then we can see we're getting some displacement here on the 60-minute. And then we'll go into the 15-minute for more detail. So the market structure shift happens here on the 15 here. So there's one here which would have triggered this market structure shift here, which would have triggered the first entry. Idealistically would have been up here, and then my second entry I actually got the entry that I actually wanted. It seems like we got really close to target here. Both of these have the same target. profit target is 226.37, and it put in a low of 226.43. So only a few cents away from target. Likely just the difference of the spread. So if all goes well, price action will continue back down to that level, and I'll be able to sweep this liquidity. This liquidity is down here on the 15-minute here, and then it's here on the daily. This liquidity down here on the daily, and on the 60-minute, that liquidity will be right down here. So quite a bit of pullback here. So we're pretty close, or we're within the first hour and a half of the crypto open. So we still have some time for this to hit target and potentially break out of yesterday's range. If it does that, if there's a breakout of the range from 2 days ago, there's also the potential for another opportunity to short Ripple during the regular trading day, which would be tomorrow my time, but today according to crypto market time. But this is my current trade on Ripple. We'll see if price action can make it back down or back down near my take profit and potentially be able to take profit. But this is on tilt trading with today.